Jakeofall here. I know everyone's talking about it. I'm going to talk about it, but I'm going to talk about something that I haven't seen anyone else talking about. Now, I played with this at the Ohio Power Tool Blitz Week, Milwaukee, Big Tent, whatever you want to call it, that Ohio Power Tool was doing it here in Columbus, Ohio. I got this, and I want to show you something, right? Not so abnormal. Now, what I started noticing was this gap. It didn't seem like on this one, compared to the one that had been used, I don't know how many times in demos, that was normal. Any head that I put on here, except for one, this one doesn't have an index, so it doesn't really matter. This one indexes, and it fits pretty fine. But this one, right, when I put this thing on, unless I put it facing down, it barely engages. And then when you let go, you can see there's a pretty good gap. To get it apart, you then have to wiggle to get it back out. So, not to mention, getting it in there has always been a little bit of a pain. Now, see there, I have it lined up, and I have to really push. And then, see if I can get a picture of this. It really doesn't seat all the way. Now, it works, but there's a noticeable gap compared to when I use, say, like this one on it. They all just seem tight to go on. Now that one, see, that's showing a gap. So I don't know if it's this base unit, but watch this. If I take the right angle and I take this little stubby and I put it on, see how well that engages? Then that ring snaps tight in there. It comes on, goes off pretty well. And I know I haven't used it a lot, so again, I don't know if it's because of that, but all of those fit in there that easily. Come apart, you turn them, they let go, they go in. But any one of these, except for the regular chuck that I put on, if I put this on here, see, it just doesn't want to engage. So, Milwaukee, anyone else have ideas? What I'm missing, let me know. But I just don't think there's something right about this one. So, again, it's Jakeofall. Have a good one.